Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to enable or disable the rear parking aid, the rear parking sensors. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Now you will be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel and looking to this small menu on the left side of the instrument cluster. I will zoom this in a bit. Okay, so press the left menu button to enter the main menu and now scroll through the menu options until you reach driver assist and press OK in the middle, and again go all the way down until you reach rear parking aid and now press OK again to disable it or to enable it. And that's pretty much everything. If this is enabled here, your rear parking sensors should be working. If they are not working, then most likely one of the sensors failed or there is a wiring problem towards one of the sensors because lots of water and mud get into that area, and then you pretty much have to clean all the electrical connections and that should fix it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.